Welcome to How Made. Today, we're uncovering the secrets behind an everyday item that sparks to life with just a strike, the humble matchstick. From raw materials to the finished product, let's dive into how matchsticks are made. The journey of a matchstick begins with selecting the right raw materials. For the wooden part, softwoods like pine or aspen are preferred. These woods are chosen for their lightweight and ease of splitting. The logs are first debarked to remove the outer layer. Next, they're cut into manageable blocks and then split into long, thin slivers. These slivers will eventually become our matchsticks. After splitting, the wood slivers are sorted for size and quality. Any slivers that don't meet the standard are discarded or repurposed. To ensure durability and performance, the wood slivers are treated with a special solution. This step helps prevent the wood from becoming too dry or too brittle, which is crucial for consistent match performance. After treatment, the slivers are thoroughly dried. Proper drying ensures that the matchsticks are neither too damp nor too dry, which could affect their ignition. Once dried, the slivers are fed into machines that cut them into uniform matchstick sizes. Precision is key here to make sure every matchstick is the right length and thickness. The matchsticks are then checked for any irregularities. Quality control ensures that only the best matchsticks move forward in the process. The next step is creating the match heads. The match heads contain a blend of chemicals such as sulfur, potassium chlorate, and glass powder. This combination allows the match to ignite when struck. The chemical mixture is applied to the tips of the matchsticks. This can be done using automated machines for efficiency. After application, the matchsticks are left to dry, ensuring that the chemicals adhere properly. With the matchsticks ready, it's time to package them. For matchbooks, the sticks are inserted into pre-folded paper covers. For matchboxes, the sticks are packed into small cardboard boxes. Each matchbook or box is designed with a striking surface that allows the match to ignite. The packaging process also includes a quality check to make sure everything is in order. Quality control is a critical final step. Samples from each batch are tested to ensure they strike and ignite properly. This includes checking the reliability of the ignition and ensuring that the matches meet safety standards. These tests are vital to ensure that the matches perform reliably and safely when used by consumers. Finally, the matchsticks are packaged and prepared for distribution. Packaging protects the matches during transport and ensures they reach retailers in perfect condition. From the factory to your local store, these matchsticks have traveled a long way to get to you. And there you have it. The fascinating journey of a matchstick from raw wood to a ready-to-use item. Thanks for joining us on How Made. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights into how everyday items are made. See you in the next video.